Open the WordPress dashboard. Go in Plugins. Click Install Plugin. Add New. Search WooCommerce. Click on First. Click Install Now. Then activate. Then go in WooCommerce. Options will show. Click Settings. Add data. Address. City. Add country. Then selling location. Customer location. Then save the changes. Click on Products. Add and save the data. In Shipping, add shipping details and save. Add description. Add shipping class. Slug. Description. Then create. Then go in Payment option. Click on Manage and add the data. Save the changes. In emails, all the mails available. Add viability and then customize all the settings. Click Report to check all report. Click the link in the bio to sign up WPLearning101.com and start learning WordPress today.